Now, the Kedarnath Shrine finally had a symbolic reopening this week, 3 months after the devastating floods. But for many who've now returned to the settlement, the homecoming has been bittersweet, as much of what wasn't destroyed by nature was ravaged by thieves. NDTV Siddharth Pandey reports.
Mr. Ram Prakash returning to his shop come home in Kedarnath for the very first time since the devastating rain damage that battered the region almost 3 months ago. And here is what he found. All the locks to his home had been broken.
ये आगे से जो है कील निकाल करके इसका ये तोड़ रखा है। जो बक्सा है ये भी दबा था नीचे, और इसको जो है कि जहाँ चोरी हुई तो इसको ऊपर निकाल दिया गया, खोद के निकाला गया। जी हाँ, खोद के निकाला गया। और ये मेरी अटैची पड़ी है, इसमें भी जो है अपना जी हाँ तोड़ के ये रखा है, तोड़ करके तहस नहस करके रखा है।
It's a familiar story for many in Kedarnath. What nature did not destroy or carry away in the surging water, thieves managed to take away. It's a double blow. First the destruction by floods, then the loss of livelihood.
Most of these people, they all have homes or shops. They've returned almost after 3 months, and they've said that everything that they own, all the valuables, all their trunks have been broken into, all their money stolen, and they're saying they really need a response from the government. By when can they move in? By when can they start rebuilding their lives?
The administration had declared Kedarnath off limits to its residents, as most of the buildings remain unsafe and would perhaps have to be demolished. This visit home was only possible because they accompanied former Chief Minister Nishant Pokhriyal, who had accused the government of inaction.
सरकार ने यहाँ पर सरकारी पूजा शुरू की। ये अजीब गवर्नमेंट है। ये कहती सरकारी पूजा के लिए यहाँ आनन फानन में 3 महीने तक ये क्या करते रहे। यदि यही आनन फानन में करना था तो 7 दिन के बाद ही ये स्थिति तो कर सकते थे आप, 7-8 दिन के बाद। बाकी तो आपने जो सैकड़ों सब वहाँ दबे हुए हैं उसको कैनात से ढका हुआ है। 3 महीने में कोई गवर्नमेंट रास्ता नहीं बना सकती।
Those who survived the floods have been forced to live with relatives and friends lower down the valley. With each passing day, they're running out of money and patience.
सबसे पहले ये कदम लेना चाहिए साहब, गवर्नमेंट को जो है यहाँ पे सबसे पहले मोटर मार्ग आ जाए सर, तो हम लोगों का जो है यहाँ पे आकर के इन मलबे को, इन मकानों को फिर बनाने की इजाजत दी जाए।
अगर यहाँ पे सर रोड आती है तो बहुत जल्दी यहाँ पे डेवलपमेंट हो जाएगा, और रोड नहीं आएगी तो मेरे को लग रहा है यहाँ तो कई साल बीत जाएंगे, यहाँ कोई डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो सकता है।
The administration has promised to try and strengthen the walking path to Kedarnath within the next 1 month, to allow at least some people to come and take care of their belongings. But with winter advancing and snow expected early next month, time is fast running out. With Siddharth Pandey in Kedarnath, Rohit Dev for NDTV.